Hello friends, welcome to my channel TechGetter Official. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the graphics driver crashed error while playing Valorant. This is a simple and effective tutorial, so make sure to follow all the steps carefully. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the Start menu. Search for Device Manager and open it. Now scroll down and expand Display Adapters. Here, you'll see your graphics card. In my case, it's an NVIDIA graphics card. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Next, click on Browse My Computer for drivers, then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose your graphics card from the list and click Next. Wait for the driver to update, and once it's done, close all the windows. Now, open the Start menu again and search for Run. Click on it, then type %localaptita% and press Enter. Scroll down until you find the Valorant folder and open it. Go to Saved, then Config, and here you'll find a folder called Crash Reporter Client. Right-click on this folder and delete it. After that, go back and open the Webcache folder. Select everything inside this folder, right-click, and delete all the contents. Once done, close this window. Next, go to your desktop, right-click anywhere, and select Show More Options. Open the NVIDIA Control Panel. From the left-hand side, make sure Manage 3D Settings is selected. Under Global Settings, find Preferred Graphics Processor and change it from Auto Select to High Performance NVIDIA Processor, then click Apply. Now switch to the Program Settings tab. Select the program you want to customize and look for Valorant. If you don't see it in the list, click Add, then Browse, and locate the Valorant.exe file. You'll find it in C Drive, Riot Games, Valorant, Live. Double-click on Valorant.exe and add it. Once Valorant is added, again set the preferred graphics processor to high-performance NVIDIA processor and click Apply. After that, from the left-hand menu, go to Configure Surround, PhysX. Under PhysX settings, change the processor from Auto Select to your NVIDIA processor and click Apply one last time. Now, restart your computer. After the restart, launch Valorant and the graphics driver crashed error should be fixed. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to TechGetter Official for more useful tech fixes. Thanks for watching.